Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is technically the last paycheck of 2022. That is amazing. And let me just clarify, paycheck number 2 is essentially my job and also my side hustle. But we are going to get one more paycheck, I can say, from eBay, and then we will be stuffing that next week as well. But anyways, so technically this is the last stuffing video of 2022 for paycheck number 2. And we are going to do the usual. We're going to go and see how much we got paid, go over our expenses. We're going to stuff our cash envelopes and also stuff our sinking funds. We're going to go out with a bang, you guys. But anyways, so we're just going to go ahead and get straight into it. Now for paycheck number 2, I did get a bonus, and after taxes and everything, it came out to $2,811.23. And then with eBay, I budgeted $75, but we actually did $100, which is awesome. So for second paycheck, we are ending with $2,911.23. So that is awesome for us, you guys. All right, so moving on to our expenses, and these are all the expenses, and I always list them every single paycheck that we do. So for house, we are going to be putting $218. Car will be $400. Light will be actually $41. Phone is going to be $50. Insurance will be $38. Chase will be $55. And Capital One will be $60. And we're going to go ahead and add all of that up. So we're going to have 218 plus 400 plus 41 plus 50 plus 38 plus 55 plus 60 equals to $862 is how much our bills will be. So let's go ahead and move on to our cash stuffing. So our cash stuffing, we are going to be stuffing $905 is how much we're actually going to be stuffing. Well, actually, technically, scratch $105. Scratch $40 is going to be $865 is how much we are going to be stuffing. The $40 that I subtracted, I am actually putting it towards the saran wrap game that we do with Jared's siblings every year. And it's so much fun. So that is my tribute, just because I did get that bonus. So I do have a little extra money, and I took out $40 worth of $1 bills. So that is actually how I'm contributing to the game this year. All right, so groceries, we are going to be doing $100. And I do that for every 2 weeks. Gas, I have $60 actually left over, and then this is going to be going towards our money challenges, which is going to be awesome. And I'm going to put that away, and I'm still going to be putting $140. I think I'm going to try to do at least 120 next paycheck. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40. But we'll see. I'm really like on E right now as I'm filming this. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40. So I really do need to go and get gas tonight before all the chaos and traveling and everything due to Christmas. And Merry Christmas, by the way. You will be watching this on Christmas Eve. Fun money is $10, $15, $20, and $21. So that is going to be going towards money challenges as well. So we're going to have a really big, nice challenge coming up on Tuesday. We want to go out with a bang because it's going to be the last money challenge as well. And then moving on to fun money, we are going to be doing $100. I should treat myself because I did get the bonus, but we're just going to do $100 for now. I do have, you know, my cushion fund and everything from my debit card, so I will have extra money on that. I need to buy new tennis shoes, to be honest. So maybe that is something I will look into. All right, so moving on to our sinking funds, which is my favorite part. I already lost my pen, but it's going to be fine, you guys. Let's just go with this brown pen. So first off, we are going to be doing car maintenance, and car maintenance is going to be getting $40, which you guys, if you have been watching, you know that we did max out our car maintenance. Well, technically we only reached $500, but $500 will go towards the bank, and it already did. Medical will also get $40. Vacation is getting $300, and that is from the bonus. Dobby is going to be getting $30. Christmas is not getting anything. We will start that next paycheck again. Special occasion is going to be getting $5. And that is going to be for like my nephew's birthday, who shares the same birthday as me on January 14th. Jared's sister is also his birthday is in February. So, and I also have a baby shower in January as well. So home is going to be getting $5. Beauty is going to be getting $5. And then renewal is going to be getting $20. And then eBay will be getting $100. So first off, we're just going to go ahead and do eBay because we want to stuff that. And that is $100 for our side hustle. And so we have 100, 200, 20, and 40. So we have 240. All right. So first off, we are going to be doing car maintenance. And car maintenance, see, already has a little placeholder for the $500. So we're going to be adding $40 to that. 20 and 40. So we're going to have $540 for that, which is awesome. $540. Moving on to medical, we are going to be getting $40, and I do have to bump this up because I do have a couple of doctor's appointments coming up as well. Okay. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, and 94. So $194. Vacation is going to be getting $100. So we have 1, 2, and 3. $300. And we actually have more, but you have to tune in to my money challenges to find out how much I actually have total for my birthday. Dobby is going to be getting $30. So we have 20, 30, and 40. Christmas is getting $0, which is fine. Special occasion is going to be getting $5. And we have 5, 6, and 7. So $7. Home is going to be getting $5. 20, 30, 35, and 36. Beauty is going to be getting, let me write $36 right there. Beauty is getting $5. Where did the other $20 go? Oh, I see it. Hold on. I'll fix it. And the other $100. I'm gonna have to find it, guys. Oh wait, we already did the $100. See, I'm already losing it. 20, 30, and 35. And then my other 20, I actually need to pay for the HOA fee. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, and 10. So it's 30. And that is it. So we're just going to add all of this together and see how much we have for the sinking funds. 300 plus 40 plus 7 plus 36 plus 30 plus 130. So we actually have $1,277. So that is incredible, you guys. And that is it, you guys, for this video. This is our last video of stuffing my paycheck for 2022, and it has just been an incredible year. A lot of ups and a lot of downs, of very good wins. It has just been incredible, and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I cannot wait until 2023 so we can come back better and stronger and financially, mentally ready to take on 2023. But anyways, you guys, I will see you guys on our very last money challenge, which is going to be a good one. Anyways, love you guys. See you guys later. Bye.